this is Javen, my son, and we're going to be craving a pumpkin today. It's our first time, so let's see how that turns out. Okay. Over, mister. Okay, so we bought this Pumpkin Master at Walmart, and it comes with the little tool sets. And it even comes with little drawings, but I don't think we're going to do that because that's too complicated for me. So, he wants to just do a little kitten. The little kitten? So that's what I'm going to try to do. Okay?
Pink.
So let's get started.
Pink. Pink.
No pink.
A pink.
So first you have to do the hole.
My baby blue. Pink.
Yeah, pink. Color yours.
Mine. The joint.
You have to make a hole. Okay.
Tickets? Make tickets?
Yeah, Mama's gonna do a kitty cat.
Pink. 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 Pink.
Okay, so it's getting dark on us, guys. I already made the hole. I don't know if you can see. So now we're gonna draw on it.
Baby. Ticket. So.
Almost, guys.
Almost, guys. Almost, guys. Oh, please. Oh, please. Oh, please.
Yeah.
Oh, please. Take.
That's almost.
Almost.
Are you almost done, Javen?
You want a teacup?
Are you doing a kitty cat too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look. You will teach us the steps. Yeah.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't know if it looks like a kitty cat or a weird thing.
Picture. Oh, that's it. That's it. The mouth.
Yeah. Well. I did it, guys. It's ugly, but it's done. I just need to put a candle so that you guys could tell how it looks. Is it a kitty cat?
Ticket.
Or no?
Yeah, ticket.
Well, I don't know what you guys think, but it's something. Well, that's it, guys.
Bye.
Guys, so this is the end result. We want to say thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.